Welcome guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to decorate the inside of your envelopes. This would go well if you're making matching cards and envelope to give as a gift. Okay, my envelope is measuring 5 3/4 by 4 3/8, so I went ahead and cut my designer series paper 5 3/4 by, I cut the length just a little bit longer, 4.5 inches. So next what we want to go ahead and do is take our envelope and place it over a designer series paper. And you're going to need a pencil for this, and what you're going to do is go ahead and outline that shape of the flap. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut that out. If you're getting any creative value from this video, please go ahead and smash the like button down below. So I'm going to use the opposite side. So I'm going to go ahead and sit that within the envelope. And it's a snug fit, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up. I'm just going to leave a little bit of border to the top where the adhesive is. So once I get that how I would like it, I'm going to go ahead and fold that over where the crease is. And I am going to go ahead and take my bone folder and give that a nice crease. And I am going to take my bring in my silicone mat. And I'm going to put my silicone mat just under that crease, and we're going to add some adhesive there to this backing. And all you need is adhesive to the top of that flap. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the top of the envelopes down. And I'm going to take my bone folder and smooth that over. Make sure that the glue is evenly distributed. And you see we have a little seepage there of the glue, and that's what is good to use your silicone mat as something to protect your surface, your work area. So that's it guys, get on out there and be creative. This is Claudette and I'll see you in the next video.